Hello everyone. Today if I take an orange and I squeeze the orange hard enough, let's see what will come out of it. It will be an orange juice, right? If you keep squeezing it, an apple juice or tomato juice will never come out. Then you ask yourself that why does on squeezing an orange juice comes out? And the reason is that what is inside comes outside. Now let's extend this metaphor that if somebody squeezes you, you are in pressure. If somebody tells you something which you don't feel it's nice about you, if somebody's behavior is offensive about you, then what will come out of you? Anger, frustration, pain, complaints, irritation. And we immediately say that this happened to me, what came out of me is because that person behaved in a certain way. But the truth is, my friends, is what is inside comes outside. And if you don't like that, then there is a way you can change it. For this, I would love to invite you to experience a beautiful inner journey of self-transformation in Siddheshwar, the Power of Soul, Siddhasana, a 7 days of silence retreat program which helps you to connect to your true identity, the true nature of your soul, which is love, happiness, peace, smile, power, strength. Come, let's embark on this beautiful journey of transformation of Siddhasana.